Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. In today's video, let's take a look at some of the special features of the Pro X TKL Rapid Keyboard. The actuation point is the travel distance after which a key press is actually registered. This will allow players to find a perfect balance between speed and accuracy, and also tune the keyboard to their individual gaming style. In G HUB, first select a key to modify its actuation point. Ranging from 0.1 to 4mm, you can move the slider in the G HUB menu to increase or decrease the distance. And here's a quick tip. For actions that require quick response or movements, a shorter actuation point will provide accurate inputs. But for keys that are used less frequently, or to avoid accidental presses, a longer actuation point would be ideal. With Rapid Trigger, you can dynamically adjust the exact distance at which a key resets. This helps users to repeat a key press mid-motion without needing to surpass a fixed reset or actuation point for a rapid press. First, enable the feature in G HUB. Then select a key to configure Rapid Trigger. Ranging from 0.1 to 2mm, you can move the slider in the G HUB menu to increase or decrease the distance. Lesser the distance, quicker the key gets reset upon releasing it. Post-adjustment, the selected key displays the details in G HUB. Users can assign two different actions to the same key. Select the base layer assignments and click on the desired key. Click on Remap Multi-Action. You will notice two distinct bars which can be dragged to the desired distance of actuation. The modifier and the assigned key can also be set in the same menu as shown. Now the same key can execute an assignment when the first actuation point is reached, and another assignment while the second actuation point is reached. Use the Test Your Binding space to test your assignments. I hope that answers any questions you had about using the features of the Pro X TKL Rapid. If you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.